Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve page number 7 from Vikas Drawing and Coloring book, class 4th. On this worksheet, I am going to show you how to draw. Here, as you can see on page number 6, already one drawing is given. Today we are going to copy on that. Okay. As you can see, we are able to understand this drawing. We can divide in two parts, one for sky and one for downside for floor. Okay, like this. This is a middle line of that picture. I am going to draw with pencil. Draw the pen with pencil first all drawing, but here I am going to start, just make a line and start with the marker. You can use sketch pen there. Okay, like this, one by one I am going to try to draw same. It is very simple and very easy to draw. Like this. If you want to make changes, you can change it, like a tree shape, boat, mountain, cloud. Now our drawing is almost finished now. After finishing all drawing, we have to start to color it. Okay, here I am going to use oil pastel to paint. When you start to paint outline part first. Always I tell you this line. When you painting any part, paint outline part first and paint it sharp. Then we are able to paint inside part, and then color also not going outside. Here I am using the sky blue color, light blue color to paint the sky part. Like this we can. If you want to use different colors, you can use here, but here I am going to try to paint same, because on page number 6 already we have a gave example. Here I am going to paint the whole part. Here you can see I am not going to paint it sharp and not going to put pressure on that oil pastel, just lightly, because I am going to make it smooth with the help of cotton, with the help of tissue paper also we can make it smooth. We learned before that. Okay, here you can see the both color are same for downside also, for river part also, but here I am going to make some changes. Here I am going to use a light pink color. See that I paint whole part using the same technique. Here I am going to use yellow watercolor shade to paint that floor. Then dark blue color for water and light green color for grass as well as tree. Grey color for clouds. Now I am going to take blue color to paint that mosquito. and temple with dark pink color, then yellow color shades to upside. Here you can see I give pressure. Those part is important for us. From the background it should be visible. That's why I give more pressure near that things. Those are in this picture. We want to show that as a golden point. Afterwards we are going to learn what is a golden point, what is a positive space and negative space in 2D design. We are going to learn afterwards. Now here those part important for us. That part we are going to paint sharp with the dark color, and those part is the back side, those part in background. We are not going to do more pressure on it because this is a long distance we want to show with the help of colors. Now here I am going to take one cotton, and to make this part smooth, as you can see before coloring there are some white parts is visible, but here now you are not able to see any white part there. It looks like a smooth and clean and light also. Okay. Like this you can follow the technique for this only for background. Okay, I am not going to do this on temple or because we want to show it brighter. If any white part is there, you can use this technique. Here I am going to paint once again and overlap it and to make more dark, like this. On a tree you can see some texture is there with circle and oval shape, but here I am going to use a scribbling technique. We learned before that coloring shading techniques, stroke, then cross shading, scribbling. This is one of the technique of shading. Here I am going to use a dark green color, and for background light green color. That's why it's visible from the background. Like this you can make a texture. If you want to use from the backside tree, you can follow this technique there also, but I'm not going to follow on that tree. Like this. Now our coloring is almost finished. After coloring it looks like this. Today we learn page number 7. Afterwards we are going to solve next page. Till that time, bye bye everyone.